In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name on Hostinger step by step. Whether you're launching a new project or just want a fresh start with a different domain name, I'll guide you through the process with ease. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the home page, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and verify your email. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look towards the menu where you'll see various options. Click on the one labeled Domains. This will direct you to a section where you can manage all your domain-related activities. In the Domains section, locate and click on the option that says Get a New Domain. This is your gateway to explore and register a new domain name that suits your needs or brand identity. Clicking this will redirect you to another page specifically designed to help you acquire a fresh domain. Now it's time to choose the perfect domain name for your next project. You'll be presented with two main options. The first option allows you to manually type the domain name you have in mind into the search bar. Consider using your business name or something that resonates well with your brand to ensure it is memorable and relevant. If you're unsure about a domain name or need some inspiration, Hostinger offers an AI-powered domain name generator. Using this feature is as simple as it sounds. Just click on the button labeled Generate Domain using AI. This tool is fantastic for sparking ideas if you find yourself stuck or if your initial choice is unavailable. It analyzes powerful keywords and suggests names that might work for your business. Once you've come up with a few potential domain names, type your preferred choice into the designated field. After entering the name, click on the Generate button to further explore the availability of your desired domain. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Hostinger's platform to change your domain name. Remember, choosing the right domain name is crucial, as it represents your brand online, so take your time making this decision. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through changing your domain name on Hostinger. Feel free to revisit any step if you need a recap, and always ensure that you're satisfied with your choices before finalizing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.